Welcome, today I will be testing a simple binary option strategy. We will use a 50-period moving average as a trend filter and the 5-period RSI to generate signals. We will use 5-minute candlesticks. Though this gives fewer signals, the market is smoother at this time frame. Let us set up our two indicators, starting with the RSI. For the RSI, we set the period to 5. We then adjust colors and thickness to our preference. As for the moving average, we set the period to 50. We then adjust the colors to our liking. Remember, we will only use the moving average as a trend filter. Let us look for some examples to explain how the strategy works. For sell signals, price must be below the moving average. We then wait for RSI to go above 70. Our entry confirmation is when RSI goes below 70, while still completely below the moving average. Let's mark the confirmation candlestick. We enter a 5 minutes trade on the next candlestick. This time, it was a win. As you can see here, we got a sell signal. However, we ignore this trade because of the time. We only consider trades between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. Let us look for a better signal. I think we got one here. Since price is below the moving average, we are looking for a sell trade. This is our signal. Why? Because RSI has gone above 70 and goes below 70 again on this candle. We take a 5-minute sell trade on this candle. Unfortunately, this time it was a loss. Let's look for some by examples. For buy signals, price must be trading above the moving average. Here is a good example. RSI goes below 30 on this candle. RSI goes back above 70 on this candle. This confirms our buy signal. We enter a buy trade on this candle. This time we lost. Let's look for another signal. This looks good. Price is above the moving average. RSI goes below 30. Then RSI goes back above 30 on this candle, confirming our signal. We enter a 5-minute trade on the marked candle. This time, we won. Let us look for some live signals in the current market. This looks like a possible opportunity. Why? Well, price is below the 50 moving average, suggesting a sell signal. RSI is also above 70. All we have to do is wait for RSI to move below 70 to confirm our signal. We have to wait for the signal candle to close to avoid repainting. I am going to perform a test for this strategy on historical data. I will use IQ option charts for this test. I will also place a link in the description to a document showing when each potential trade was recorded and the result of the trade. Anyone can open a chart and verify the tests using the document. I will also briefly explain the results at the end of the video. This image shows how the backtest was performed. I hope the writing is legible. I will place a link in the description to the full backtest in PDF. Finally, these are the backtest results. A total of 121 trades were recorded. 71 were winners and 50 were losers. This gave a 58% winning rate. There were 7 wins in a row and 5 losses in a row. Assuming a starting balance of $100 and a risk of 1%, and also assuming trades were taken on Eurodollar alone. Then the strategy would have made $10.35 in 16 days. Starting with 1% risk, a martingale system would not have blown this account. Note, this video was made for educational purposes and not meant as financial advice. Please comment with any other strategy you would like me to test. Thank you for watching.